Hi, my name is Padler-Karavani, and you're at the Laboratory of Glycoimmunology at the Shmunis School of Biomedicine and Cancer Research at Tel Aviv University. Well, my passion is for sugars. In fact, I love candies, and I turned that into my career where we study glycobiology, the study of sugars and how they are attached to different proteins, different lipids, or how they coat our cells. All living cells are covered with sugar coating, but this sugar coating is different on cancer cells. We try to decode this sugar coating to understand how to develop novel tools for diagnostics and therapy. We actually hope to take the research in my lab into human clinical trials where we develop cancer vaccines, and on the other hand, engineer cells that would by themselves attack the cancer cells. To finish with a positive note, for the World Cancer Day, our research in my lab actually provides hope for novel therapies and preventive methods for cancer.